Going inside McDonald's will probably be the last thing on your mind when visiting Japan. After all, eating fast food in a country known for having the healthiest food doesn't seem to sound right. But I still recommend you do a little fast food adventure by trying at least one of the many delicious menu items that you can only find at McDonald's Japan. One of these unique menu items is their teriyaki mac burger. The word teriyaki is a combination of two Japanese words, teri, which means shine or luster, and yaki, which means grill or broil. Teriyaki burger is an original Japanese dish that you can find at many fast food restaurants in Japan, including of course McDonald's. It has a very distinctive taste which makes it delicious and is definitely worth a try. Also, don't forget to try one of their waffle cone series. My favorite toppings are chocolate and almond, but there are other options too which are also good.